Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Aster High Back Mesh Office Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, arms, mechanism, gas strut, 5-star base, 5 casters, 1 Allen key, 17 bolts, including a set of spares, which are packed on a bubble card along with the Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, attach the mechanism to the seat base with the arrow on the mechanism pointing to the front of the seat base. Insert the 4 M6 by 20 mm long bolts provided. Once the 4 bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, using the 6 M6 by 25 mm bolts, attach the arms to the seat pad. Each arm is marked underneath with an arrow pointing to the front of the seat base. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Attach the backrest to the seat pad using the 4 M6 by 30 mm bolts. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. With the help of another person, place the seat onto the gas strut like this. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they come loose. And there you have it, your Aster High Back Mesh Office Chair. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.